When I'm short on time, I make this for my breakfast. Easy and delicious. For this recipe, we will be cutting for sausages. And then cutting it in half like this. Also cut 2 tomatoes into slices. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. So take advantage of it and let me know. What city are you watching us from, that I will send a super special hug to each of you who is commenting. I will now add 2 eggs in a container. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. 3 spoons of milk. And we are going to mix it very well, and this recipe, it's super easy to make, it's a wonderful snack. And I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Now I'm buttering 2 buns. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Sophia from San Diego. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. In a frying pan I will add some oil. Put our buns. And then flip them over when you're at that point. Now it's time to add the sausage. The tomato. The omelet that we hit. And add some grated mozzarella cheese on top. Now just cover and let it cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I'll be cutting it in half. And then just close our snack. And our snack was ready, and it was delicious. I'm sure everyone will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.